Hello, I'm Sid M. I'll be starting high school this fall, 2021. And my project is object detection with machine learning on the Raspberry Pi. So my idea for my base project was to build a model using nanonets and then draw boxes around a face if there is a face in an image. So I also wanted to use the Raspberry Pi camera to take a picture and then send it to NanoNet so it could process the image and then I could draw the box around the image. So now let me share my screen. So all the different scripts I wrote are in this folder, scripts. The first script I wrote was create model.py. So what this did was just create a model on my NanoNets account. The next file, upload training, just uploaded all the images and their annotations to the model. A train model.py just started the training process. Model state.py just checked your status on training the model and like returned if it was done or not. After I finished training the model, predict.py would just upload an image to the model and then print out the predicted boxes. Livestream.py was one of the main programs I wrote for the Raspberry Pi. And this used OpenCV to start a video, and then each frame I would display an image. And then I added a keybind. So when you press the letter P, it takes an image and uploads that image to NanoNets using their API. And then I would draw the boxes when I get the response. So now let me show you a demo. So now when I run the code, it will display a live stream of me. And then I pressed a P to take a picture. And right now it's paused because it takes a while for NanoNets to get back to you. Meanwhile, let me talk about my modifications. So I was planning on making a node.js server and that could just use a live stream, that would display the live stream. And as you can see here, drew the boxes around my face. So the main challenges I had were understanding how NanoNet's API works. They had a really bad API and it was like really hard to figure out how to send inputs and get responses back. I also had a bit of issues getting the live stream working and also downloading OpenCV because there weren't many good guides online. Oh, what I learned from this is that whenever like you're working in the field of AI, you'll always get a bunch of issues. And the most fun part about this program was that of solving all the issues that I got. Because every time I thought I solved a problem, I would get another one. And finally, when I solved all the problems, it would feel really good to see a working program. Thank you. Any questions?
No one has any questions. Sid, what was your favorite part about this project?
I thought it was like really cool to integrate AI into like devices like the Raspberry Pi. Because like first of all, I've like never done any AI related to like object detection. So that was really cool to like draw boxes like really accurately around a person's face.